Hello students, in today's session of linear programming, very basics concept will be cleared through illustrations taken from NCERT Exercise 12.1. In earlier session, we have gone through overall quick revision 1 in which question has been taken of linear programming also. CBSE paper discussion 5, linear programming and probability questions, and playlist of plus 2 in which quick revision CBSE PYQs are available, all which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In today's session, we are going to discuss meaning of xy greater than equal to 0, origin side, what is origin side, what is non-origin side, if line is passing through origin, then how to identify feasible region, how to identify feasible region, if feasible region is unbounded, what will be the procedure to find minimum or maximum value if exist, etc., etc. Right? Therefore, it is requested go through the session completely. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेठी स्विफ्ट लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Before we start of the question, concept regarding LPP. Linear programming is a mathematical method for maximize or minimize linear function, which is known as a objective function. Objective function. Or subject to consider the result that is the linear equation. We are discussing in two variables only. Right? Solution of linear inequality in two variables by graphical method. First is draw the graph of each linear equation. Find the feasible region, determine its corner points. Determine the objective function, determine the value of objective function ax plus b at each corner point. If it is bounded region, the maximum will be maximum, minimum will be minimum. When the region is unbounded, the maximum value z exists if upon half determined by the ax plus by has no point in common with the feasible region. Otherwise, z has no maximum value. This is being discussed in the coming questions. Similarly, minimum value may less than लेके if common point is there, then no minimum value. If there are two maximum minimum values, if two corner points of feasible region are both optimal solution of the same type, both produce the same maximum minimum value, then any point on the line segment joining the 2 points is also the optimal solution of the same type. Right? Now, on each and every application, concepts will be clear through illustrations. Right? Now, let's start the question. Question is, solve the following linear programming problems graphically. Maximize z equal to 3x plus 4y subject to constraints x plus y less than equal to 4, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. Concept, applicability and solution. First of all, identify the feasible region. Identify the feasible region. Now, we will discuss one by one constants. X greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0 means feasible region lies in the quadrant 1. Feasible region lies in the quadrant 1. And x plus y less equal to 4. Put 0, 0. As this line is not passing through the origin, so we can put 0, 0. 0 plus 0 less equal to 4. 0 less equal to 4. That is true. That is, feasible region is towards origin side. Towards origin side. Right? Objective function is z equal to 3x plus 4y. First of all, we will find the feasible region, then find the corner points. Corner points की value इसमें put करेंगे. Whatever the maximum value will be there, that will be maximum value in this. Yes. Now we have to plot line. Plot line में क्या है? X plus y equal to 4. X equal to 0, y equal to 4, point हो गया 0, 4. Y equal to 0, x equal to 4, point हो गया 4, 0. Right? 4, 0, 0, 4. This is the line. This is the origin. Feasible region is the quadrant 1. And from origin side means this is the origin side, this is the normal. This line divides the plane into two parts, origin side and non-origin side. So this is the feasible region O, A, B. Shaded region OAB is feasible region. Right? Now to find the corner points. Now corner points are objective function value. Objective function is z equal to 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. OAB. O is origin 0. A is 4, 0. B is 0, 4. Objective function की वैल्यू निकाल लीजिए 0, 0, 0, 12, 16. We have to find the maximum value of objective function. Therefore, maximum value of objective function is, this will be 16. This will be 16. Is 16 at 0, 4. This is the answer. So what is the procedure? First step is identify the feasible region. To identify the feasible region, this means x and y greater than 0 means first quadrant. Feasible region is the first. If the line is not passing through the origin, then put 0, 0 if it is true, origin side, if it is false, non-origin side. Identify the regions, right? Next question. Question is, solve the following linear problems graphically. Objective function is z equal to minus 3x plus 4y subject to constraints. One is this line, another is this line, and these are the constraints. This constraint means feasible region. In the earlier question I have discussed in detail, feasible region is in quadrant 1. In quadrant 1. L1 and L2 are not passing through 0, 0. Therefore, we'll put origin side to identify origin side known as 0, 0. 0 plus 0 less than equal to 8. 0 less than equal to 8. That is true. L1 feasible region lies in origin side. Similarly, 0 plus 0 less than 12. That is 0 less than 12. That is true. L2 feasible region lies in origin side. Right? Now to plot it. To plot it, one line is x plus 2y equal to 8. X plus 2y equal to 8. X equal to 0, y equal to 4. 0, 4. And y equal to 0, x equal to 8. 8, 0. इसको लाइन को प्लॉट कर दिया हमने. दिस लाइन को मार्क कर दिया यहाँ पे. x plus 2y equal to 8. This line is true, so we have to identify origin side. Second line is line 1, line 2. Second line is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. 3x plus 2y equal to 12. This line is also not passing through origin. To find the point of x-intercept is 4. X-intercept is 4. And this is 6. 0, 6. इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया. This line is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. इसके लिए भी origin side यही है. इसके लिए भी origin side यही है. तो O A B C. O A B C. Corner points are O A B C. O के कोऑर्डिनेट पता है, A के पता है, C के पता है, B के कोऑर्डिनेट दोनों सॉल्व करके ला सकते हैं. Point of intersection of L1 and L2. On simplification we get 2, 3. Right? On simplification we get 2. So corner points to maximize z equal to given a minus 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. Now to make the calculation. Now to make the calculation में corner points हो गए O A B C 0 0 4 0 2 3 and 4 0 0 4. पुट किया इसमें आंसर z is 0. पुट किया minus 12. पुट किया minus 6 plus 12 6. पुट किया 0 plus 16. That is 16. So minimum value we have to minimize the objective function. To minimize the objective function, the minimum value of the objective function is minimum value of the objective function is minus 12 at 4 0. This is the answer. Right? Now question.
Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE main, JEE advanced, NEET, CUET and other examination. These concept killing videos are very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video of sessions are available on Sethi Swift Learn YouTube channel, which you can review on Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website setyswiftlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेठी स्विफ्ट लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Maximum minimize the objective function z equal to x plus 2y. The quantity which is to maximize minimize is known as the objective function. Subject to constraints. This is line L1. This is line L2. This line is L3. And this is indicate feasible region lies in quadrant 1. In this case, if we put 0, 0, in earlier question I have discussed in detail, so I will explain, right? Now, मैथमेटिकल लिखने का तरीका मैंने ऊपर बता ही दिया. तो 0, 0 पुट किया लाइन L1 के लिए, 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 0, 100. This is 0 greater than equal to 100. That is false. Feasible region non-origin side. L2 के लिए 2x plus y, 0, 0 पुट के 0 plus 0 less than 200. This is true. Feasible region origin side. And one line is, this is L3. L2 is 2x minus y equal to 0. This line is passing through origin and slope is positive. Slope is positive. Right? Means this line is passing like this. This line is passing like this. Now, in this case, first and third quadrant we cannot clear cut indicate this will lie on this side or this will. There are two possible regions. Either feasible region lies on this side or lies on this side. How to identify? In this case, clear cut picture is quadrant second. Quadrant second में हमने पॉइंट ले लिया -3, 4, -3, 4. तो क्वाड्रेंट सेकंड में लिया -3, 4, देन -6, -4 less than equal to 0, -10 less than equal to 0. That is true. That is true means feasible region lies in towards quadrant second. Means this is the feasible region, not this region, right? This lies in the quadrant. Now, this chapter is clear. Now, further, to plot it, x plus 2y greater than equal to 100. ये हो गया 100. तो पॉइंट आ जाएंगे इसमें. x इक्वल टू 0 पुट किया तो y की वैल्यू 50. 0, 50 and y इक्वल टू 0 पुट किया x इक्वल टू 100. 100, 0 पॉइंट आ गया. Second line is, third line is 2x plus y, 2x plus y equal to 200. This is line L1, this is line L2. Then point is x equal to 0 put किया तो y equal to 200. 0, 200. Y equal to 0 put किया तो x equal to 100. Right? Now, further to sketch it. Now to sketch the graphs. To sketch it, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. No, there are two lines. One is L1, this is L3. One is line passing through origin. So 0, 50, 100, 0. 100, 0, 0, 50. This line comes out to be like this. This line is x plus 2y equal to 100. x plus 2y के लिए कौन सा रीजन आया था? That is line L1. L1 is physical region non-origin side. Non-origin side means this is the region. This is the region. Right? Second line is 2x plus 5. 100 and 200. ये 200, 0, 200 and this is the 100. ये line यहीं से pass करेगी like this. इसके लिए origin side है, इसके लिए origin side है. And third line is line passing through origin. Passing through origin में हमने लिया था towards origin second or quadrant second. So this is the feasible region. So feasible region is A, B, A, B, C, D. Feasible region is the shaded region A, B, C, D. Feasible region is the A, B, C, D. This line is x2x minus y equal to 0. 2x minus y equal to 0. This is the feasible region is A, B, C, D. B point का निकल के आएगा B and C point. B and C point दोनों के line of intersections आएंगे. That would be 20, 40 and C would be 50, 100. 100. ये भी पता. Now all these points, corner points will be put in the objective function, not to make the calculation. Now to make the calculation में corner points objective function. Objective function is x plus 2y. X plus 2y. Corner points are A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A is 0, 50. 0, 50. B is 20, 40. C is 50, 100. And D is 0 to 100. We have to find maximum minimum value. On simplification, this comes out to be 100. On further simplification, this also comes out to 100. This comes out to be 250. And this comes out to be 400. So we are observing that these are the at points A and B minimum value. इसका conclusion होगा minimum value of objective function is at all points on the line joining A and B. A के coordinate से B के coordinate and value is 100. Right? One answer is this. And another answer is and maximum value of objective function is 400 at point 0, 200. This is all about. In this case, main thing was, if the line is passing through origin, how to identify the feasible region, whether this side or this side. In this case, if it is line is passing through first quadrant and third quadrant, then consider any point in either in the second quadrant or fourth quadrant. If in the second quadrant, if it is true, this side of the region. If it is false, this side of the region. Similarly, you can choose in this also true, this is, otherwise this is. Right? Next question. Question is, solve the following linear problem graphically. Maximize z equal to minus x plus 2y, subject to x greater than equal to 3, x plus y greater than equal to 5, and x plus 2y greater than equal to 6, and y greater than equal to 0. Right? Now, concept applicable to solution. Line L1, if it is x 0 greater than 3, false. Feasible region, non-origin side. L2, 0 plus 0 greater equal to 5, false. Feasible region, non-origin side. L3, 0 plus 0 greater equal to 6, false. Feasible region, non-origin side. And y greater equal to 0, positive y side. ठीक है, positive y side, feasible region. These are the constraints satisfied. Now we have to plot the line. To plot the line में x equal to 3. This is x equal to 3. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is origin. This is line L1, x equal to 3. It says non-origin side. The feasible region is towards this side. Second line is x-intercept, y-intercept 5, 5. 0, 5. 5, 0. Sorry. 5, 0 and 0, 5. On simplification, this comes out to be x plus y equal to 5. This is line L2. On simplification, we put x equal to 3. So y comes out to be 2. This point is 3, 2. Right? This comes to next line. X plus 2y greater than 6, 3. 6, 0 and 3, 0. We plot this line, we get this thing. X plus 2y equal to 6. This is line L3. It is also non-origin side. This is also non-origin side. This is the plotting. If we solve L2 and L3, we get point of intersection 4, 1. We get point of intersection 4, 1. We get line of intersection 4, 1. Now, feasible region is this one. Feasible region is unbounded, and this point is A, B, C. A is, point A is point A, 3, 2. B is 4, 1. C is 6, 0. These are the corner points. Right? Now to make the calculation further. Now to make the calculation corner points. Corner points are objective function z equal to minus x plus 2y minus x plus 2y A, B, C 6 0 4 1 3 2 3 2 पे क्या आ जाएगा minus 3 plus 4 that is 1 that is minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 6 0 minus 6 plus 0 minus 6 so maximum value is maximum value is 1 but as physical region is unbounded therefore it cannot be maximum it cannot be maximum to calculate for maximum minus x plus 2y plotted if some points common in the feasible region, no maximum value, no common point, maximum value is this one. This is the conclusion, right? Now, if x equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. इस लाइन को प्लॉट करते हैं इस लाइन को प्लॉट किया हमने यहाँ पे -1 0 and 0 1 by 2 0 1 by 2 we plot this line we get this line और पुट करें हमने 0 नॉन ओरिजिन साइड और 0 0 पुट करें तो 0 plus 0 greater than 1 that is false so according to this is the region so number of common points are there therefore as there are common points therefore no maximum value कॉमन पॉइंट किसके इसके एक कोई कॉमन पॉइंट नहीं आता शेडेड रीजन नहीं पास करता तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ये हो जाती है राइट ना क्वेश्चन इज solve the following linear programming problem graphically maximize this is the objective function these are the constraints this is line L1 this is line L2 this constraint means feasible region lies in quadrant 1 right now in this case this line is passing through origin so how to identify the origin these two lines are parallel L1 and L2 lines are parallel now one line L1 x minus y equal to -1 पुट किया हमने 0 0 0 0 पुट किया तो 0 minus 0 less than equal to -1 that is 0 less than -1 false so feasible region non-origin side in this case minus x plus y is given to you less than equal to 0 less than equal to 0 in this case this line is passing through origin like this origin this is origin right put कर दिया हमने -2 3 point quadrant 2 -2 -4 2 plus 3 false this will say इस साइड में नहीं पड़ेगा इस साइड में नहीं पड़ेगा इसका मतलब ये हुआ तो feasible region for this line will be in this side फर्स्ट लाइन के लिए non-origin side. Non-origin side. So let's plot the lines. X-intercept, Y-intercept. -1, 0, 0, 1. This is non-origin side. Feasible region is non-origin side. Means this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is origin. This is feasible region is this. Second line is parallel to this. In this case, 2 plus 3 less than this, or it falls. तो quadrant second में नहीं पड़ेगा. It is like this. Means first quadrant है, ये कहता है कि आप इधर जाइए, ये कहता है कि आप इधर जाइए. तो no common region, no feasible region. Closed or unbounded. Region is not there common. Therefore, no maximum value of the object. No maximum value of the objective function. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.